Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set a permanent status on the Discord app for PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted your status to stay visible without disappearing after a few hours or days, this method will make sure it stays exactly the way you want it. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner of the app, where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture to bring up your status options. Now, you'll notice a status bar that allows you to update your custom status. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to customize what people see under your name when you're online. Next, if you want your status to stand out a little more, you can add an emoji to it. Simply click on the emoji option, browse through, and choose the one that best matches the mood or vibe you want to show. After that, type out your custom status in the text box. This could be anything you'd like. Something fun, personal, or informational, depending on what you want others on Discord to notice. Once you've typed your custom status, you'll see a menu called Clear After. By default, Discord clears statuses after a certain amount of time. But since we're making this permanent, click on Clear After and select Don't Clear. This way, your custom status won't reset itself later. Finally, when you've finished setting everything up and you're satisfied with your custom status, click the Save button. Your new permanent status will now appear next to your profile and remain there until you decide to change it. And that's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a custom status that lasts as long as you want on the Discord app. It's a great way to let your friends or community know what you're up to, or just to add a little personal touch to your profile.